Okay. All right, number 9. X, Y. Okay, so for number 9, what's the most left spot on this graph? Beautiful, -4. And does it actually touch -4? Yes. Okay, what's the most right spot? 3. Does it touch negative or touch 3? No. Yeah, that's why I was asking. Okay, so now you have Baymax with one eye open and one closed. That's not really how he operates, but whatever. Okay, so the least is -4. The greatest is 3. I'm dealing with x's. This side is closed. This side is open. Ah. Okay. Now for the range, we go bottom to top. The bottommost point is -5 and it's open. And the topmost point is 5 and it's also open. -5 to 5. Y, beautiful. Open, open. We're getting it. It's happening. Okay, now, is it a function? No, definitely not, because vertical line test definitely hits twice there. Or anywhere. It hits 4 times over here. That's like a super violation. Okay, last warm up of the day. We're going to be really warmed up. And notice there's only 2 more of these. Woo! Life's going to be so good when we're done with this page. All right. Domain, let's see. So this arrow goes forever this way. And there's graph all here. Here. This arrow goes forever that way. All real numbers. Okay, but it's not all real numbers for the range. What's the lowest spot on this graph? Beautiful, -3. And does it actually touch there? Yes. And it goes up forever. So y is greater than or equal to -3. Again, if you forget which way the inequality goes, just look at the crocodiles. No one's going to judge you. Is it a function? Yes. Domain and range is no joke. You do? Okay. So scoot your packet off to the side. I'm going to use a straight edge and 2 colors on these notes.
I went to the bathroom during the notes from yesterday. Can I take a picture of it so I can do it at home?
Yes. I always do videos.
Oh, okay.
So if that ever happens, you can just watch it that night and catch it up. But let me. Can I show you after? Yeah. So again, I'm going to use 2 colors and a straight edge. So if you want to do the same, feel free. I'm going to use these 2 colors just in case. Yeah, it's like purpley because my red one died and I don't, it's now in the trash. Forky has it in there. I'm trash. He's right here.
I love how movie.
So
It
good.
was so sad though.
Oh, it's so sad. I actually like cried so hard at the end of that movie. Because they're supposed to be together.
I know.
We're talking about Toy Story 4.
Oh my god. What is this?
I have bat hearing because I'm a mom and a teacher, just so you know. Bat hearing, like super supersonic hearing.
I don't think we're talking about it. No.
All right, you guys, let's do this. So, you guys, remember we learned the rational function yesterday? It was like the swoop and the swoop. It's called a hyperbola. We're going to start by looking at number 31, which is just a generic one. So I put a letter in instead of, remember you guys had like your table number? I put a letter in. We're going to make generic facts about all of them. So we can actually find all of these things without a table. So today's goal is, how do I find information and graph this with no table? Because we're just too lazy to make a table. Okay. The first thing I'm going to say is that I know the type is a rational function. I'm hoping that you'll be able to recognize that it's a rational function from the way that it looks. I mean, the equation, not the graph. The shape is called a hyperbola. Okay, now what I want you to do is take your denominator, make a little arrow and say x minus h equals 0. And add h to both sides. Okay, this piece, this little fact right here is going to help us figure out all of the rest of the description. So the next thing that we do is domain and range. And for these graphs, the domain is all real numbers except x will not be h. And you guys remember why x cannot be h? Yeah, it's going to be divide by 0, which is not okay. And then the range for us right now is going to be all real numbers except y will not be 0. For now, until we do this notes part. Okay, what else do we know? We know there's a vertical asymptote. I'm going to say V8 because I'm lazy, but this stands for vertical asymptote at x equals h. It's whatever this is right here. And there's a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0 for now. Do you guys see that the domain kind of matches the vertical asymptote and the range kind of matches the horizontal asymptote? Yeah. Okay, so that should help you. Okay, what else did we write? It was decreasing. And we wrote discontinuous. Okay, that's going to be it for the moment for that. That's the description that we're going to work with today. Okay, now I'm going to do a little sketch of this guy. It's not going to be perfect. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Just sketch. It's just a sketch. Okay, and then I want you guys to just sketch in what we did yesterday. Doesn't have to be perfect. We don't need coordinates. How did your swoopers come out? Good, good, good. Okay. So we're going to use this and we're going to do one that's like super far off the axis. We're not going to graph all the way to 25. I promise you. We're just going to make a sketch of it. So what I want you to do is I want you to take like whatever your regular pencil is that you're using. Since I'm going to do two colors, this is going to be my original color. And I'm just going to make axes, but I'm not going to put a scale on there. Okay, now we're going to repeat everything that we did in number 31, but we're going to keep in mind that now we have a number in here, which is 25 instead of H. Okay, first question, what is the type? Rational function. What is the shape? Hyperbola. Okay, any questions so far? Is everybody okay? All right, now I want you to take the denominator, come over here and do x plus 25 equals 0 minus 25 x equals negative 25. Okay, what you're going to do is take your other color, whatever it is, I don't care, or not, you can just dash it, and we're going to make a vertical asymptote at negative 25. Do we have to go over 25 units? No. We're just going to write x equals negative 25. And we're just going to visualize that that's 25 over. Are you guys with me so far? Okay, now you're going to go over top of your x-axis with another dashed line. And label that y equals 0. Okay, now we're going to say all the rest of the stuff and sketch in our curves. So the domain, all real numbers, except x will not be negative 25. Okay, what's the range? Take a look back at number 31 if you need to.
All the numbers for one.
Yep, all real numbers except y is not going to be 0. Vertical asymptote, x equals negative 25. Right there, we already have it labeled. Horizontal asymptote, y equals 0. We already have that labeled. It's decreasing. Then discontinuous. Okay, now we're going to sketch in our curve. So you're going to go here where the two asymptotes cross each other and make your swoop there. And make your swoop there. Okay, how do we feel about it? Is it okay so far? Okay.
That's a little hard.
Okay, if you have this right next to you, do you think you can do these two? Now, these two are different because these two can actually be graphed properly, like I mean actually at -1 and +5. So I want you to try to do that. I want you to give these two a go with your table group. I'm gonna freeze it. I'm gonna work out the problems up here myself, and then I'm gonna show you the answers. Oh, okay, by the way, you do not need to say rational function, hyperbola, decreasing, and discontinuous for all of them. Let's just do domain range, vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote. Okay, what I mean by that is since all of them are the same, except for this stuff, I'm just gonna do this stuff. Hmm.
I think you have to do x plus 1 equals 0. And then x minus 1. Y equals 0. Yeah, x is negative 1. Why you want to Okay, I know this one. Okay, Ben. Okay, Ben. You're welcome. Okay. Somebody comment that like just orange tail. That's why I responded to it. Like, I was wondering, That's outside of the. So the means x does equal -1, that makes the vertical asymptote x equals -1. It's like the same as the range. We can use the graphic for that. So we got all the answers. So if,
Not with coordinates though, just like with the,
okay.
just dash in the asymptotes and then sketch the curves.
The vertical asymptote is -1, then at the -1 point, you do the dash line. I love using colors on my notes.
Me too.
Okay, then, off to 0, you do the dash line because the horizontal is y equals 0. Then I'm not, I'm sitting then. I might get ready with I didn't know I said I don't want. I start every sentence with, okay, then we're gonna do this. Oh, this is important.
Okay, so check your first one. Dash line at -1, dash line at 0, the main range, vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote, and then I just sketched in below curve.
Yes, we did it, guys. Let's do it.
And you're the only one who did it in a group.
Yes.
We
We
did
did
it.
it.
Silent grouper? Actually, I did hear you a little bit.
Okay. No, can you just like and
So I want you to use your powers of deductive reasoning to see where this is going on a quiz. Oh, no. We have one that's Tuesday, but just what you would do with the equation, the main range, vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote, sketch. I like to. Also, I like that.
I a little bit don't. I think I'm starting to understand. It's like a negative.
Oh, yeah. That's
I like the push like this is like it would be. Okay, so why? Wait, I don't even have to. So y equals 1 over x minus 5. So that means that
Like we all guessed that it's irrational.
x minus 5 equals 0.
Right, it's saying the same thing every time.
That means that x equals 5, guys. So x equals 5. So type. Wait, what's the type?
You don't have to do the type work.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
What is happening?
Okay, no distractions. Quickly.
Domain. I don't really know what the hell is the y to do. So y does not, the range is all the numbers, but y does not equal 0. And then, but for that, for the horizontal asymptote, it's y equals 0.
Just as soon as I can't remember who left.
So it's like,
No.
I know that.
Oh,
So
yeah.
for the vertical asymptote,
Nope,
it's
she's still on.
x
Not her.
equals negative, or x equals 5.
Oh, she didn't take the path. Go ahead.
Because for the domain, it's x does not.
You wanna go
equal
after?
5. No,
No.
the vertical asymptote. Whenever you're doing notes, are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm.
I'm recording everything.
Like, are you recording right now?
Mhm.
Are we saying anything?
You can tell up there because it says the little green. It's green at the top, right?
Oh, yeah. So then for
If
the
it's red, I'm not recording, and you should tell me because that would be bad. That would mean that whoever was absent would not get to know what we did in that period of time.
Actually, one of your videos.
But you can always put me on 1.5 times speed when you're watching it. I sound great on 1.5 times. No.
I put everything on 2x speed. I can't.
Okay. Here's the second one. I accidentally put all of my information right where the graph would go.
Me too.
So it got a little cut off.
I did
But
that
that's
too.
okay. It's okay. All right. So any questions about any of this stuff before we move on? Okay, we're going to do one more together. That's notes. However, it has a vertical shift too. Ooh.
Manny, did they make you do your right side of your face or your left? Right. Guys, he's still.
As soon as we are done with this, I'm going to come stamp everything that I need to stamp.
Okay. I'll stop you just really quick. I didn't know that asymptote for those books, so-
I know, it's true. The P's kind of silent, except for that we say it wrong. It's supposed to be asymptotes. Okay, let's move on. So, definition of an asymptote. Is a line that a graph approaches but does not cross, which is actually kind of a lie. You know, like when you have a lower math class, we lie to you, and then you get to the next math class, and we're like, you've lied to me this whole time. When you get to pre-calc and calculus, right around the origin, sometimes graphs will cross asymptotes, but when they get out further, they won't. Just say. Okay, but in math 3, this is plain. Okay, rational and what's the other type of function that has an asymptote? This is math 1. That's what I'm asking. Nope, they're called exponentials. Okay. All right. So notice this guy is different. He's got a -2 on the end. So that's going to change some of our stuff. First thing we're going to do though is still take the bottom and go x plus 3 equals 0. -3 minus 3 x equals -3. And then I'm going to take my straight edge and go to -3. And label. Okay, now this one's different. This means there's a shift down 2 units for the whole graph. So my horizontal asymptote's not going to be at 0. It's going to be at -2.
Oh, I think I remember that last year a little bit. I had a specific memory.
We call it K. It's like plus or minus K, shift up or shift down. Okay. Now go to where the asymptotes cross and sketch in your curve. Okay, last thing. The domain is everything except -3. So all real numbers, x will not be -3. That's because that's where that jump is, the error. The range will be all real numbers except y will not be -2 because of this jump here. Vertical asymptote is x equals -3. Horizontal asymptote is y equals -2. I think we've done that one a lot now. No, it's good. No, it's good. It's good. Okay. So last thing, I have 2 jokes for you because I forgot to show you the joke from yesterday. So let's look at that. This was the joke from yesterday. It's Gandalf standing in an asymptote. It's pretty great. Thanks. I didn't do it. It's Pinterest. And then today's joke says, and the teacher said you may take notes, and everyone's taking pictures with their phone. Okay. Now notice this homework. The homework is 142 to 146. You only have to do A, B, and E on 146. But this homework is due Friday because we have math testing tomorrow. So you need to bring a charged Chromebook to class, complete your math testing. But the homework, guys, the homework is not due until Friday. Okay, now I'm going to come step whatever I can. I'm going to start with table 1 and do my best. Do I?
Yeah. So let's put it in the exact thing. like 1.1. But then instead of doing times, you do second, and then this e equals -5. That's how you put that. So that's scientific notation e -5. Then the 3, and it's not times 10. And then what else is that? I know. You put it in, and you get that weird number. And you go to second, science and engineering. Go to second science, scientific notation.
Yeah, I saw it.
So yeah, this one has 3 things. Well, this one has 1. So you can only have 1. So you just have to round it. No, but yeah, we're just saying like that. That's what you get. Like someone. Wait, is it? Wait, no, yeah. And then we're gonna, That's good. That's good. Look at this. Are you trying to? So that's what I had it right. If you go back to second, go back to 12. That's 336. And then you just rounded it to 300. That's why I was saying. It doesn't matter. Okay. How much do you use that? Think about this. You're so cute. You're like glowing in it. I'm really nervous for mine. What I already did this one. Yeah, so if you go to 2 and then it's E. We should study for times 8.21. The times 10 is I think we did that really. Yeah. My eyes literally
Yeah.
Where's the person I told you?
Like someone said, Cheer that.
Because our homework's so early.
Hey, you remember?
It was fun. It was like, normal. I don't know, I hope I had a day this year. It's like, I think because,
I know.
no. Really? I like, you're never she's a few so I was like, Abby just went. Yeah, I did. Wait, that sounds like I'm trying to be like, what's the line? But I'm not. It's like, my mom just got breast cancer, and like we just told her about like that, and she was like a big piece of her, like a big, like a background. I was too bad when I did it. I like it. It's like a cheese No, it would just be two because it would make it 2.0. And then it would have two six.
Like you know you're right? You'll be like, yes, yes, let us go. You have like 10 my class, I think
I work at both schools, so I don't work that much
Oh yeah.
Should I take it Spanish?
I was like,
I feel like we're not much higher. Yeah, you're right. Like I'm thinking, I'm not.
I never took it like I signed it.
I'm like struggling in Spanish right now. Like he came in, he started speaking Spanish. I was like, oh, yeah. And I was like, okay, I was like, you don't know? You don't know? Why yeah, I was like, why? I was like, I know. I keep wait. You already know. I know. I thought. And I finished my what?
Bro, Chris, I
I
was
get
here
up
for
early and Sean for math. That's the outfit I ended up choosing.
You were so deep.
I'm just an influencer like that. Gotta go. I have 2,000, 7,500, but I got 1.4 million views. They're already like, go follow.
Bro, I'm gonna go down as like the most ADHD.
Yeah. We have Max, so we'll be able to do it.
Wait, no, that's that one.
I figured because there was something wrong Yeah. I'll just check it during that. That's not big deal. I can do it now.
There's not. I'm actually not sure why it's called that. But I don't think you're still like that. That's not me, that's you. Or what are you doing? That's you.
So no, you don't have to do all of it. I want you to bring your charge from for the math testing. And then the homework for tonight is these ones. Do you know how to get there? Yes, okay. So just worry about these ones for tonight. 142, and this is the dash through 146, and then you only have to do the AB. You don't have to do all of that. And then you have today.
Today's was. Oh, yeah.
Hey, sorry about that. What a crazy day. And your class is so big, 35 kids.
I have 38 in my infant psych class.
You do not.
Yeah, 37 or 38, yeah.
Oh, there was a student of mine who was really upset that she didn't get into it, so that makes sense.
Yeah. Thank you, Miss Sullivan.
Thank you, I'll see you tomorrow. You like my joke?
Kids these days.
Right. You know you do that. We all do that. Like take a picture of something instead of writing it down 1,000 times over. No? You're not a picture guy?
I did when I made the key for my quiz on grade cam before the school year started, and then wondered would they press some kind of reset button. I took a picture of the key just in case. So I wouldn't have to type things. I didn't actually have a paper copy.
That makes sense.
But I feel like I don't really take notes. Or anything like that.
Like, for example, supposed to have jury duty this week. I haven't had to go yet, knock on everything. I know you're not a superstitious person, but, I took a picture of like the summon so that I could check the badge number while at school.
Smart.
I didn't want to carry the
I'm
summons.
not so good at doing those things though, so.
All good, all good. Whew, what a morning.